this is hot flasher causing from the hormone therapy treatment for prostate cancer treatment. So both kidney poles disappear, so no poles. What I'm doing here at the moment is try to get the poles back, which is the kidney. So it's important to do. We have to find a point on the navel acupuncture. So my way of doing it, I can see the point over here. You can see it in the video. It's 1 needle. Let me do a second video in here. Second needle. Then we know there's no poles. In this case, no poles causing from few problems. One is the kidney weakness. Then we do tonified technique in here. So this is a very gentle technique. There's no pain. No. Then we also want to do remove the dampness, because on his tongue you can see there's a lot of dampness in there. Okay, can I take the pulse? So we check the pulse again. Okay, I can feel the pulse coming back on the root, especially. So that means those two working. Then next, what I'm going to do is, because his tongue got a lot of coating, and that is what we call dampness. Now in this case, I'm going to do spleen 10 and stomach 34. Okay. So I always do it on, look at the leg yin and yang. So that side is yang leg, that side is yin leg. Tender here. Is it tender? This is spleen 9. Tender over here. Can you feel here?
I can feel it, but it's nothing.
Nothing.
No problem.
Okay. Here?
I can feel it, but you know.
Nothing. Okay. What about in this point?
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah.
Not painful, right?
Not painful, no.
Okay, that's right. Can you feel the knee pain at the moment?
Fraction feel a little bit. Yeah.
Is it in here or here?
In the knee itself.
Here?
Yeah, just a bit above it. Yeah.
You're losing the muscle in here.
Yeah. Yep.
So this patient has cancer, bone cancer as well. So pain over here still. Can you feel the pain?
Yeah, you can feel it there. Yep.
Pain over here. This is the cancer pain. Out of 10, how bad is the pain over here?
At the moment, it's only about 2 or 3.
And here, so?
That's about 4 or 5.
4 or 5? 2 or 3. Okay. It's constant, eh?
Yeah. If I make the wrong move, she's about 10.
Yep. If you're not on painkiller, how bad it's going to be?
Just the same. Yeah, just the same.
Okay.
Painkillers don't make much difference.
Spleen 9. We're going to reduce technique in here. Stomach 40. Then we do spleen 6. Tender here?
I can feel it. Yeah.
Yep. So this is a very important point because this can help. This can help for the urine, water retention. We'll do tonified technique. Just nourishing the blood as well. How's your knee pain and your thigh pain at the moment?
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
No pain now?
No.
Okay, you see. Removing, reduce the dampness, improve the blood deficiency, and the pain's gone. So there's no needle on your knee, no needle on your thigh, you see?
Yeah, that's right.
Why is that? Because the pain is causing from the dampness and the blood deficiency. So this point is for blood deficiency, and this point is actually for dampness, and that one for dampness. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do one point in here. That's going to help with blood even further. This one can nourish the blood as well as moving the blood. The one touching the body. Now, how's the hot flasher at the moment?
Good. Yeah.
Any hot flasher at all?
No.
No hot flasher. Before the needle, it was hot. Was
Yeah.
it? That's great. Okay, you see. I haven't even applied the Tou Tian Liang, and the hot flasher is gone. That's because the hot flasher mainly causing from the kidney yin and kidney yang deficiency, and blood deficiency, and dampness. So we treat the cause of the problem. So you see the difference?
That's all right.
We treat the cause of the root of the problem according to Chinese medicine, and then it helps your knee pain, thigh pain, and it stops the hot flasher as well.
Okay.
Fantastic, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's it.